If you're a beginner guitar player, or you know a beginner guitar player, but you don't know what to get them, well, you're in the right place with these tools. I'm going to show you the top 5 best guitar accessories for beginners, and that's coming up. Welcome to Your Guitar Guide. Today I want to show you the top best guitar accessories for beginners. Have a look around and consider subscribing if you like what you see, and click that bell icon so you can be notified every time I upload a video. So let's get started. And the first tool that any guitarist needs is pretty obvious. It's a guitar. Now, a lot of people may say that an electric guitar is easier to play. Well, in a sense it is. You don't have to push as hard on the strings to hear it because you've got an amplifier. But on the other hand, you got to know how to operate the amplifier so that it sounds good. So the best thing to do when you're a beginner guitarist is start with an acoustic guitar, one that sounds good and is easy to play. And I've got one here, the Jasmine S35. It sounds great because it's got a dreadnought body, which is a big body. And stay tuned, because a little later I'll let you hear what it sounds like. But for now, I want to go over the next 4 tools every guitarist needs, especially if you're a beginner. And the next one is set of strings. You should keep some extra ones because inevitably you're going to break a string and you're going to have to replace the strings. And then also guitar pick. The best thing to do for a beginner when you're starting out is to get an assortment of picks, because they're all different thicknesses, and you try them out. And in the beginning you're going to want a light pick because it's more flexible and easy to play with. But if you have an assortment, you can have different thicknesses and sizes of picks. I would recommend doing that. And then also a string winder will help you when you're replacing strings. So now let's go to the third recommendation. My third recommendation is this Snark guitar tuner. And what I like about it is 3 things. One, you just clip it on and press a button and you're ready to go. Just pick the string, it picks up the vibration, and that's telling me that that E string is not in tune. All I got to do is tune it a little bit. But the best thing I like about it is it's about 20 bucks. That's my style. That's the Snark. Oh, it's the Super Snark. And by the way, all these items that we're covering today are in the description, so if you like any of them, feel free to check it out in the description below. The 4th recommendation and accessory is a capo. I love the Kaiser capo because it's so easy just to connect it wherever you want. It's also a lower end of the spectrum as far as price, so check out the Kaiser. My 5th recommendation is having a good teacher to show you how to play the guitar, and that's where I come in. So check out over at YourGuitarGuide.com. I've got a lot of courses over there, and I'll see you there. Thanks. Let me let you hear what the guitar sounds like.